How to install 4-light orb farmhouse chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Pass the fixture wires through the chosen tubes. Then screw tubes onto iron frame. Pass the fixture wires through the swivel joint and the canopy. Then screw the swivel joint snug. Adjust arms to the proper position. Adjust the circle to the proper position. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.